Okay, for today's video, I will be making some fried deviled eggs. The ingredients I need is dill relish, hot sauce, which I use Tapatio, sea salt, black pepper, some eggs. I have this for the filling, mayonnaise, mustard, paprika. I have some oil, and I have some breadcrumbs back there, see? And I have my pan already boiling for my eggs, and I have a pan back there that's going to be for the fried part. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs and let them cook for approximately 13 minutes. Once they're done, I will take them out and shock them with some ice cubes and cold water. Now, I'm not going to make many because I'm just trying this for the first time, and it's just me that's going to eat these. So I have 5 eggs in there, and I'll make 10 double eggs. I forgot we also have flour. Okay, so now I'm setting up my station for my breadcrumbs. Let's see if the breadcrumbs in here. Matter of fact, I'll put the breadcrumbs in here. I was thinking. All right. Some flour. Now, I don't actually know how much I'm going to use for each area, but I'm just putting extra in there just in case. And some eggs. Eggs on top of eggs. So I'm going to stir these eggs now. My flour, I'm going to add some seasoning to it. Salt. That's salt. Pepper. I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. Okay. Sit around a little bit. This is all ready. That's already seasoned, like an Italian pecorino. I think Romano cheese. It's seasoned already, so see? Hopefully that's how you said the name. It's all seasoned, so. My eggs should be done. So, hold on. Eggs not quite done yet, still boiling. I have about 2 minutes left. Okay, I added some cold water, ice water to shock the eggs. Then I'm going to peel them and start the filling process. Okay, I'm starting the peeling process. Let's see how this works. See? Slides off like a champ. Right? And you got it. Just get that one skin peel off and it's off from there. Eggshells up. I'm going to repeat the same process with all the eggs. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the egg down the middle. Okay. The eggs are still a little hot. Let's take the yolk out. And repeat this process for the rest of the eggs. Okay. Okay, so the eggs are all peeled, yolk out, ready to start the mix. Okay, so first I'm going to add the pepper. Some salt. And it don't matter what order I put in there because it's all going to be mixed together. Some garlic powder. Add some mayo. About 2 tablespoons. Some mustard. Now you can add as much as you like. I told you it's according to your taste. Some Tapatio hot sauce. Some relish. And I'm just mashing all this together. Mix it all in. Make sure you mash it all up. Okay, after this, I'm gonna just add all the rest of my seasoning to this. Not my seasoning, my egg yolk. I'm gonna add it to here so I can squeeze in and have a nice little pretty topping on the egg. See, have it in here and ready to go. All right, next I'm gonna start the dipping process. The oil's already on. You probably can hear it in the background bubbling a little bit. So I'm gonna take the egg, put it in the flour first. And I'm gonna put it in the egg yolk. And put in the flour again. A little bit more yolk. Just want to make sure it's good. And put in the breadcrumbs. All right. I'm going to repeat this process with each and every last egg. Okay, so the eggs are now frying. Let them finish frying. I'm going to turn them over. And then we'll start the filling process. Okay, look at them. I turned them over. A little brown to the crisp, but they're going to be good. Okay, now I'm taking them out of the hot oil. Letting them, the grease drain off of them. Woo! Don't fall on me, don't fall on me, baby. All right, let them drain for a little bit. Then I will be back to start the filling. All right, I'm back and ready to fill. For some reason here, I said my prayer and everything and I had static. So I just did a little bit of talking over the recording and it'll stop in a little bit, but I did have to keep this part in to show you guys. I did do a prayer. Don't play with me. All right, I'm about to get back into the regular video. See if it got some crunch to it since it's fried. Mmm. It's good. Mmm. Bite it. Mmm. Excuse me. Mmm. So I gotta save some for my kids so they can taste this. My husband working late tonight, so I ain't gonna say nothing to him, cause he told me not to try to feed him too late. So. Mm. I'm gonna say the rest of them for him. It's definitely good. Alright guys, I had to end my video that way because it was static and doing all kind of crazy stuff. I told y'all something was wrong with it. But anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you know when your girl upload her next video. And then the recipe, if you want it, just follow the video. That's it and that's all. Period. Until next time. See ya.